IT sophomore at Basis Independent Silicon Valley, and this is my final milestone. So I actually got my safe to start working now. So here's a demonstration. You click the switch to turn it on, and then you put your fingerprint here so that it turns the green light on, and then you have to put in the secret passcode, which is not very secret, and then now the lock will unlock so you can actually open it. So for this milestone, I added a locking mechanism as I had already gotten the keypad to work individually and also the fingerprint scanner to work with the keypad. So for a locking mechanism, I used two metal L braces so that when it is in a lock state, the two L braces will be intertwined with each other, and when it is in an unlock state, they will be separate from each other. To do this, I attached a servo to my bottom L brace so that it can turn and then latch on and latch off of the other L brace, which is on the top of the box, therefore creating the locked and unlocked states. So some problems I had when doing this was actually because of the LEDs, because in the previous milestones I had used the LEDs to test out whether or not my fingerprint scanner was working and my keypad was working. However, I took them out of my code and I didn't think I would need it, but then I thought that would be a great indicator to make sure that the box actually is working. So I decided to add them back in. However, when I added them back in, the red light kept blinking on and off every few milliseconds, and I found out that it was because I used to use a loop. I used to use Arduino's loop function in order to check whether or not the fingerprint has been put on the fingerprint scanner. However, if a fingerprint wasn't put on, it returned false, so that it just kept turning on the red light. So in order to fix this, I basically just added a while loop so that it only returns true or it turns false only if a fingerprint was actually placed on the fingerprint scanner, and therefore I was able to get this red light to stop blinking, which was really efficient. So from BlueStamp, I learned a lot about mechanical engineering and Arduino in general, because I had never worked with Arduino and it was pretty fun. And from mechanical engineering, I learned a lot about dremeling and drilling and soldering, and and now I'm really satisfied with my work since I was able to build something from scratch, and I am more confident in my ability to do so in the future as well. So from BlueStamp, I also learned a lot about being extremely careful and also to keep trying. As for my LEDs, I actually shorted one of them out because I connected the two pins together, and I didn't realize that, so I just kept trying and kept troubleshooting it, and then I realized it could have been the LED, so I switched the LED and it finally worked. So yeah, thank you.